Listen, Caroline, I'm expecting you to be here by 8, okay? Okay, boss, me coming to you now. Now, coming to you, wake. I want to take something now. Few minutes later. Oh, ifone yami bengishiye lapha. Where is my phone? Was he here, ne? Who are those people going? They took my phone!
Nontombi Nkosi yami ukhalelana amehlo sesebomvu kanjena kwenze njani ntombi enhle?
Ngandatela ifoni.
Kuphi ngobani?
Ngabanye obhutati behamba ikhumba eluhlaza nabanye ade bese phakathi kwebhakhi ikhosi elincane bayidobhe phansi bengiyibeke lapha phansi ngisabopha izicathulo ngikhuluma nomlungu wami umlungu yawo bendlela ukuthi ngihamba njani manje siya emsebenzini kuyaklina ku-construction company sebeqedile ukuyakha ku-construction so siyaklina ama-tenants engakangeni.
Hayibo
bangidatele bhuti icela usize ethola ifoni yami back.
Egoli ifoni ebekwa phansi ukuphi emsebenzini wakho?
Nendlela ngisayazi kodwa kungaphi emuva ngapha.
Why ungafaka ifoni ebhatshini lakho leli likhulu nawe kodwa nontombi?
Leli likhulu lami vele kuyafana bezoyijwabula zwile ukuthi eMzansi liyajwabula amafoni leli. So mina athi ukuthi lami ngifika izolo suke ekhaya. Ngifuna ucela ifoni eyi-1 at least.
Eyi-1 ukubani kithi eMzansi asikwazi phela thina.
Lina babhudleni.
Manje nishudelani ke?
Ifuna ukwenza ama-content ngamhlekisa ngami.
Hayi suka. Hawu. Yahlanya lona. Ngiyahlanya ngiyanijwayela nina wena sisi wena nendoda yakho.
Maningazi nina namina. Maningazi nina
bheka ibhatshi lakhona. Bheka ibhatshi lakhona.
Ngifukula ngestina lesi mina.
Istina hayibo sisi wena ufukula mina.